Hello everyone. I know it's been a while, but I recently subscribed to Ipsy and I'm really excited to try the new products every month. I think the subscription was only $9.99 a month. So I got 2 packages. This is my first one. I'm gonna open with you guys now, and then I'll open the second one shortly. I'll post another video with that unboxing. So this is my first Ipsy unboxing. So I have a cute little makeup bag with lemons on it. It's reusable from Ipsy. I don't know if you can see, it's Ipsy. Let's see what we got. Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape, a hydrating primer. Oh, this is great. I need a primer. It's perfect. Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser by Tony Moly. Can you see that? What else did we get? Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner by Ico. See that? I like liquid eyeliner. Oh, it says plus wide lash. I'm gonna wear that tonight. All of these things for just $10 is very good. Berry and Juice Vegan Lip Gel. I like, all these things seem very fun. Oh, no parabens. Excellent. No mineral oil. It has soft shea butter, blackberry and raspberry extracts, soybean and sunflower seed oils. I'm gonna try this too. And oh, I got a highlighter and it's bronzy. Let's see. By Afra. Rodeo Drive. That's the name of the color. It's OFRA. I'm gonna try this too. So every month I get 5 random pieces that they choose for $9.99 a month, and that's my first Ipsy unboxing. I kind of like everything that I received. I'm gonna try them and let you guys know what I think. But you can build your own dream bag if you'd like, but I just let them randomly choose. I answered all the questions that they asked and when I registered, and I like what they've said so far. So you'll see more soon. Later.